Alright, choosing between Notion and ClickUp in 2025? You've probably heard the hype, but here's the real comparison with a few truths no one tells you. Notion. It's like your digital notebook on steroids. It's super clean, super flexible, perfect if you like building your own workflows from the scratch. But you will need to spend time customizing everything. It's powerful, but not plug and play. While ClickUp, it's more like a project manager's dream. Tasks, timelines, dashboards, it's built for teams who want structure. But it can feel bloated like 10 tabs later, you forgot why you open it. So, here's the hidden truths. If you love creativity and control, choose Notion. If you need speed, structure, and serious team features, choose ClickUp. But neither is perfect. Notion lacks deep automation, and ClickUp can be overwhelming. So, pick what fits your brain, not the trend. And if you're stuck, try both free plans side by side for a week, you'll know. Follow for more.